welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. Today, I know I'm saying this in every video, but I am on a roll, guys. I've been posting and posting and posting, and you guys think it's helping you, but it is truly helping me in reaching my goals and keeping me accountable. So hopefully it's keeping you guys accountable as well, and you guys are getting good information from these videos, but it definitely is helping me so much. Anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along with me today and show you guys what I eat in a day. A lot of questions in my comments. The most question I've been getting in the last two videos, and I explained it in a video, this video that I'll put up here. I explained it in that video on why I switched over to being on a, from switching from keto and low carb to counting my calories and being on a calorie deficit. So if you need the answer, I'll put the video here. You guys can go ahead and watch it. But I've been counting my calories. I've been on a calorie deficit for 6 weeks now, and the weight has just been melting. I am down about 13 pounds since June 16th, which is about 6 weeks. So it's been so good, guys. I've been so happy. I've been more confident. I've been wanting to pick up the camera, just seeing the number on the scale, having like victories, like non-scale victories, like with my clothes fitting better, and just like taking pictures, and I'm just like seeing differences. And I don't know, it's just a really good feeling when you are confident, you're more confident, and you find your confidence. It just, I don't know, it just makes life just like happier. So anyways, we're gonna make breakfast right now. It's actually 1 o'clock. I've been working all day. I'm working from home today, and I did have a little Starbucks this morning. So that was a grande. So that was about, I don't know, like 140 calories. So we're gonna find a little low calorie breakfast this morning. The goal is to try to stay under 300 calories. So let's do that. Let's find breakfast, and yeah. You want bacon, babe, or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna just have 2 pieces, but Jamal also wants some as well. So we're gonna make about 4 or 5. All right, so we got 5 pieces. Air fryer it goes. All right, guys, I'm gonna make this egg like over medium. These eggs that we got, they're like pastured, organic, cage-free eggs. They're so orange. I love it. It just reminds me of like, I don't know, like fresh, organic, farm. Like, it's so good. And the taste, you can definitely tell in the taste, like it's different. Pepper on here. So we're gonna have what we had in my last video. These are the thin bagels and everything bagel. So these are good for sandwiches. There's only 110 calories. 3 minutes. So I'm gonna do half a slice of cheese. I really like that like cheesy gooiness. And then I'll save this half. Okay, we're also gonna have strawberries this morning. Let's do 3. They're pretty small. I don't know why, but I like to cut mine like this. Okay, time to assemble our sandwich. We have it on a small plate today. So we have our everything thin bagels. I am gonna put the tiniest amount of mayo, just to kind of give it flavor. Turkey bacon, they're a little burnt, but that's okay. We're gonna, should I do it like that? Nah, let's break it. We'll do it like that. Then we're gonna add our over medium, I think now. Yeah, over medium egg with half a slice of cheese. We're gonna add some everything but the bagel seasoning. a bit of red pepper. Okay, and this is gonna be breakfast today, guys. We have our sandwich, breakfast sandwich, strawberries, water on the side, and that's it. And I think we are under 300 calories. We're gonna take this upstairs because I have to continue working. It's 1:30. If you guys are wondering why I look a little different today, it's because I did my eyelashes. So, makes me look like, I don't know, like more poppy, more put together, a little bit more glammed, but it's literally just my eyelashes, and I did them by myself, guys. I've been doing them on my own for a few months now because I found the perfect routine or the perfect technique to do them where they look really nice and it doesn't damage my real eyelashes. I use the Bond and Seal, and then I buy like clusters of lashes and then I just put them on, and then these will probably last me about 7 days, so like a week, and then when they come off they don't rip off my real eyelashes. So my real eyelashes have been growing. They're so long right now. They're longer than I ever like remember them being. I don't know. So I'll put everything in my description box because I got everything from Amazon. Okay, so let's have breakfast. Got my water. We're in my office. Get some work done. It's gonna like, the gooiness of the yolk's gonna like just break. Watch. Strawberry. Oh, they're sweet. Okay, I will see you guys at snack or dinner or whatever's next. Hey guys, just an update. It's 3:35. I'm still working. I have so much to do today, so I think I'm just gonna work until about 4:35. That way I can leave early also on Friday. I still have my water. I am gonna go to Zumba tonight. Well, I plan on going to Zumba tonight. It's at 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna make dinner, and then I'll probably have a little dinner, and then I'll go to Zumba at 7. That way I can come home at 8, take a shower, and go to sleep. So yeah, I'm not really that hungry. So I have burned 200 calories today already, from just doing nothing. Just like my everyday things, like walking up the stairs, walking down the stairs, waking up, getting the kids, taking the kids to school. So that's good. Hopefully tonight at Zumba I'll burn like an extra 500 calories. So that should be good. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I make dinner. I'm gonna make dinner before I go to Zumba. So okay guys, we're gonna make a really quick dinner. I worked all day. I'm going to the gym in a little bit, so I need something that is quick and easy and just like ready for me to make. So I'm excited for dinner. Let's see what we have. We have 3 options. So we are doing a Green Chef meal tonight because today is Monday. It's been so hectic. I still need to go to the gym. We have 3 options to choose from, and I don't know which one we're gonna do yet. The first option is this chicken and bell pepper quesadilla. This looks really good. And then this is the sriracha tamari beef bowl. And then this is the tilapia menire. Oh, I am feeling tilapia. I haven't had tilapia in a while. But this beef bowl looks really good. Oh. Okay, I think I know. We are gonna do the tilapia meal tonight. It's only gonna take about 25 minutes, which is perfect. I need to leave in about an hour. So I think that is gonna be the winner tonight. Let's cook tilapia. So this is what I have. All the ingredients are in here. The tilapia is packed right in here, and it's a lot of tilapia. It feels so heavy. I love how every meal kit from Green Chef comes pre-portioned. It's already chopped. The sauce is already pre-made. It cannot get easier than this. It's super, super, super convenient. Green Chef has tons of delicious, nutritious recipes with clean ingredients like organic fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. They also limit processed ingredients, and they don't use any artificial colors or sweeteners, so you can feel great about the food you eat. I seriously get so excited when I get my new Green Chef box in because there's things that I would never even think to try, like tilapia. I'm such a salmon girl. So when I saw that tilapia was in my box, I got so excited because I've had tilapia before, but I haven't had it in so long. So this was such a great surprise and my kids loved it. Green Chef makes it easy to eat clean, quality food that you can feel good about. Green Chef helps me get into a clean eating routine and build healthy eating habits. Not just for me, but for my little ones too. This recipe was so easy and quick. I can prioritize my health and get a good quality dinner on the table every night, and this only took me 25 minutes.
You want some milk?
Here. I truly love Green Chef. Green Chef helps me eat clean and live a healthy lifestyle. Okay guys, dinner is done. This looks like a lot because it's on my fancy Target plate, but this is actually only half of a serving size. So I have the pasta on the bottom, the orzo pasta on the bottom. I have the roasted peppers, capers, almonds, and kale here. And then I topped it with a little bit of that as well. And then obviously the tilapia. Okay, let's go ahead and take a bite. That's good. I also love how Green Chef just sends you everything you need, literally pre-packaged, so that way you're not overbuying or underbuying. You have exactly what you need. That's so yummy. Let's ask the kids how it is. How's dinner? I guess it's approved. I also want you guys to try Green Chef. You guys can use my code KIM50 for 50% off plus free shipping. Go to greenchef.com for more details. Again, you can use my code KIM50 for 50% off plus free shipping. Go to greenchef.com for more details. I will have everything linked below. I want you guys to try Green Chef out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish dinner with the family in the background. Then we're gonna head to our Zumba class, and then I'll see you guys at Zumba. Okay guys, we just made it to the gym. It's 6:56, class starts at 7. So let's go in, let's do an hour of Zumba, and then hopefully I'll burn like, I don't know, at least 400 calories. So yeah, let's go. Oh, and I filled up my water bottle. I did finish it all the way. I added more because I knew I was coming to Zumba. And so yeah, let's go.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go?
Okay guys, workout done. So I burnt, okay, so 1 hour of Zumba, I burned 421 calories. That's awesome for just 1 hour. I feel so good. I'm sweaty. I feel like my bra and like everything is like drenched, but I feel so good. And you know, like I always say this, but the hardest part is actually going and doing it and like walking it. Once you're there, you're fine. You have to be there. You can't leave. And then when you're done, you feel good. So it's 8 o'clock right now. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go home, take a shower, maybe do a little editing, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I have a long day of work tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of what I eat in a day, tracking calories, being on a calorie deficit, and then coming with me to Zumba. So I am gonna continue filming. I can't wait to weigh myself in a few days and see how much I've lost. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.